Here's interesting app, Simsimi. Everyone Simsimi, meet your Simsimi who is always consistent. When you are bored, you can say anything to Simsimi. Create your own verse personality according to your type. Meet a variety of make friends. Enjoy the conversation. Chatbot chat for me. So this app basically offers you opportunity to talk to someone anytime when you are bored. Basically, you can talk to AI chatbot. Do you know that every single word Simsimi says to you in response has been manually taught by tens of millions of people? Fun and humor, empathy and comfort, knowledge and information. When we chat with Simsimi, we are actually chatting with tens of millions of minds. Now become Simsimi and chat with many people. So the official Simsimi is everyone Simsimi. Anyone can. So it was born back in 2002. Maybe it was like a Tamagotchi or something. Maybe if you're a bit older, you remember the small Tamagotchi devices which were viral in like early 2000s. And that basically you can select your language and then you can create an account in Simsimi app. I just sign up with my Apple ID. And there you have it. So now I just created my account. I can consent and then here's my account. I can just talk. What's that? And so here you can select if you want to talk more. You can select about you. You can see all the settings here. And then you can also see some other bots here. And then you can also create your own Simsimi. It's your own bot. And then you can just play with it. So yeah, that's basically the idea. You can search some keywords. So I don't know if I want to search for... So my Simsimi is required through my Simsimi. So then you just need to create your own Simsimi. I don't know, it's like your account. Then you can create your avatar. So this is my account. So this is my account. Now I can change, I can then, so then I can talk to someone. Yeah, so something like that. So I think these are like AI chatbots. And a lot of these apps are really going viral recently because, yeah, you can get addicted actually with talking to chatbots. My Simsimi is your Smurf and chatbot that you can set as you want. So that's the idea. That's the overview. Hope this is helpful.